Welcome back to my channel. So I am making those blueberry muffins, and right here I have, let me see, 1.5 cups flour, 3/4 cup sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm just giving it a good whisk. To this, I am going to add 1/3 cup vegetable oil. So I'm going to measure that out. And then 1 egg. And then 1/3 cup milk. There we go. It's a thick batter, oh my gosh. Supposed to get blueberries in here too? I feel like I need more milk. This is like a dough. I need a little bit more milk. 2. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. Yummy. Doesn't call for it, but I'm going to add it. Give that a good stir. I already have my muffin tins with the muffin cups already in there. Muffin liners, whatever you call them. And my oven's preheated to 400. Right here I have a cup of blueberries that I measured yesterday for this recipe. Drop those bad boys in. And these blueberries are so yummy. Ooh, there's a little stem. I'm gonna fold this in. This is what my batter's looking like. Tastes good. Okay. And it's not this is not in the recipe. I just made a little brown sugar, butter, and oats, and then I added like 2 tablespoons of flour that I'm gonna put on top. So I'm gonna start scooping these in here. I have my little scooper. Here they are 20 minutes later. I had to kind of clean them up on the sides because they did overflow, and just put them in this extra little cup that didn't make one. But yeah, 20 minutes, and then I actually put it on low broil for like 3 minutes just to get the tops a little bit more golden. They look really good. I can't wait to dig in. I will let you see the inside once I do that. I just dug into one of these and they're really good. Their top is crispy and crunchy. Inside is super moist. It tastes perfect. So I really recommend this blueberry muffin recipe. I actually got it from Kim at the Wad's channel. I don't know if you've ever heard of her, but that's where I got this recipe and it was really delicious. But I would do a half cup of milk instead of a third cup. That's all I would tweak the recipe by. So I hope you try this recipe, and if you haven't, please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.